guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So guys, today I'm going to share a Nykaa haul with you guys, and you guys know already that the Nykaa Hot Pink sale just went away and I got my package. I have a lot of stuff, not very much stuff, but few stuffs which I really needed and some wishlisted stuff which I wanted to buy, so I got it this time. So let's start with today's video. So guys, the first product which I got is the Daily Life Forever 52. This is the pink loose powder. This is the deep bake translucent matte powder and this is in the shade Cherry Blossom. So this is how the outer packaging looks like and this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's a pink powder. I've not yet tried any pink powders, but these pink powders are too much in trend, so I thought to give it a try. All the prices and sale prices will be given on the screen because I absolutely do not remember it. So this is the first time that I will be trying pink powder, so yeah, very excited for this. So guys, the next product is from Kay Beauty and they were having some amazing deal. So they have the deal like you need to purchase some amount and you get one full size product for free. So the first item which I got is the Kay Beauty liquid concealer. I've already used one tube of this and I love it, so I got a repurchase of this one and this is how it looks. And the shade which I got is 150N medium. Absolutely love this concealer, a full coverage concealer, beautiful concealer, and that's the shade for you guys. And for your reference, I am MAC NC41 and this is the shade. Next product is again from Kay Beauty and it is their Kay Beauty Hydrating Lip Oil. This is again a very hyped product and I really wanted to try more of lip oils right now because I really love lip oils and lip glosses. I'm too much into it and I absolutely love it. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. Yes, I have already used this once and I absolutely love the consistency, the hydrating formula of it. Totally love it. Doe Foot applicator is also stunning, like it's pretty big and this has no color in it, so absolutely love it. And on the purchase of those two Kay Beauty products, I got one Kay Beauty blush absolutely for free and this is in this shade Sugar Candy. It's a very beautiful pink shade. Absolutely love this and I already used one of their matte blush before and love it. Already finished it. That was like one of my go-to blush, especially for my sister. She used to love that blush a lot. This is how the packaging looks like. Absolutely love it. And that's the shade. Very pretty, like very summery shade. It's very beautiful and definitely I have already used this, so I already love their pigmentation and formulation, everything. Lovely blush. So the next product is again from Forever 52. It is their Wet and Dry Compact Powder. This is how the outer packaging looks like and I have heard a lot about this compact powder, so I really wanted to give it a try. And this is how the inner packaging looks like. You get quite a decent amount of the compact and also you get a puff and also you have a mirror with it. Pretty decent, nothing fancy, but have high expectation because heard a lot about this, that this gives you very beautiful coverage as well. So let's try and we'll be reviewing this very soon. So guys, the next products are from Colourpop and they were having a flat 50% off. Basically they were having buy one get one sale. So I got their Colourpop single eyeshadow. These are their Super Shock shadows. This is how the packaging looks like. Obviously I have taken out and one of them I have already used it. The shade which I used is Ritz and it gives a very beautiful like watery kind of, like those watery gel eye look kind of thing which the Urban Decay one has. They has this single eyeshadow, so basically you can say this is a dupe of it. I have never used the Urban Decay one, but I want to use it once in my life, so maybe I will get it someday. But till now this works amazing. I already own one of these shadow before. In some sale I got it and that was amazing, so that is the reason I got another two shades from them. So guys, the next product is from Ellie18 and this is one of their very famous product, like very viral product. This is their lip and cheek tint. This is how the outer packaging looks like and it is supposed to be the Benetint dupe. This is how the inner packaging looks like. I do own the Benetint one, but I don't know if this will actually perform like the Benetint one. I have not used this one yet. And this is how the shade looks like. I think this is way more pigmented than the Benetint one, but after you blend it, I think this will look like the Benetint one, but Benetint has a more water-like consistency and this has more of a gel-like consistency, so I don't know. Definitely I will use this and give an update on Instagram, so do follow me there. So guys, the next product is from Love Child by Masaba. This is the first time I'm trying any product from them, so I'm trying the most favorite viral product, which is their liquid blush. This is their Bant Baja blush and I got in the shade Shocking Sharbat. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. Very pretty, very quirky packaging, love it. I don't know how it will look on my skin because I have not yet used this. I'll just show you the swatch, how the shade looks like. The part that I've taken out, and that's the shade. It's a very pretty pink shade, you can see, kind of hot pink kind of shade. I think it will look pretty good on my skin. I will swatch it and do a short video on Instagram as well as on YouTube. Keep your eyes on and keep checking, guys. And this blush does settle down very quickly, so you need to blend it pretty fast, and it's totally matte, you can see. The next product is from Lakme. It is their Power Play Priming Concealer. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and I have already tried this concealer before and love this concealer. It's a very beautiful lightweight concealer which gives pretty good coverage. So this is basically I use for a regular day kind of look, and I absolutely love this concealer. This is in the shade beige. Love this concealer. This is how the shade looks like. It is going to be a good highlighting concealer and it will cover out my dark circles as well. So really good concealer. Like, if you have not tried, you should try this concealer, and it was on flat 50% off. Finally, I got this very viral lipstick. Like, this lipstick was going viral all over the Instagram. It is from Prosh Beauty Plush Matte Lipstick, and guess the shade. Just pause and guess the shade. If you're on Instagram and have seen this video, then guess and just drop down the shade name in the comments and I'll let you know what shade this is. Like, this is how the inner packaging looks like. Very pretty, very sleek, absolutely love it. It's pretty bulky as well, and the shade is super gorgeous. Like, definitely a very, very pretty shade. That's how the shade looks like. Very pretty shade. I'll just swatch it over here. That's the shade. Very beautiful shade. So if you have written down on the comment section, let me tell you what shade this is. The shade is High Tea 110, and this was viral all over my Instagram and I had to get my hands on this, and definitely it's worth it. So guys, the last product from the affordable category is the eyelash glue. I got it from Swiss Beauty this time, and I got 2 of them because I really need eyelashes glue, especially sticking my rhinestones and all. I really need this. So absolutely love this product and definitely a must buy. Now let's come to the Luxe category. I got 4 products from Luxe category, which was on my wish list from really long time. So the first product is from Huda Beauty and it was on flat 50% off. It is the Huda Beauty Love Fest Cream Blush. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It's a dewy cream blush. Absolutely love it. But what happened with this, it had a story. So the first product which I received, like the first one which I received, this one, I got it totally shattered. Like, this thing now was stuck over here. Like, this thing now was stuck over here and it was totally मतलब खराब हो गया था वो पूरा. But then I did a replace. I put a story on Instagram and Nykaa team quickly reverted me on Instagram over there, and then they did a very quick replacement of this and I was really happy with the customer service. So that's how the outer packaging looks like. Very pretty, very fancy, and that's the product. Very beautiful. Absolutely love the shade of this one. It's like very beautiful. I'll just show it over here. Do you see that? It's a very pretty corally color and the shade name is Burning Cherry. Very beautiful shade, and also this is dewy, so I love dewy blushes these days. I love blushes, I love dewy blushes, matte blush, every blush basically. This was on flat 50% off, so I had to get my hands on this. Absolutely love. The next product is again from Huda Beauty. It is their 4 filter luminous matte concealer. So this is one of the OG concealers right now, and it is OG concealer for a definite reason. This is how the inner packaging looks like. Very beautiful matte packaging, absolutely. And I am in the shade Granola. I have used this on my birthday especially, and I love this concealer. It's a very full coverage concealer, but it feels absolutely lightweight, doesn't crease at all. Definitely a must buy. And this was on flat 30% off. Absolutely loved it. I'll just show a swatch over here. Like, very beautiful concealer. It covered up my dark circles like in seconds, in like this, and it was amazing. So guys, the next product, this is probably the second last product, and this is from Huda Beauty again. It is one of their new launch this time, which I got. Huda Beauty 4 filler lip gloss, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. You get the shade name over here, and this is in the shade Bombshell. So this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's an amazing lip gloss. I have tried quite many times this now. Absolutely love it. I've already done few lip combo with this and absolutely love it. This shade will pretty much go with all the Indian skin tones. Very beautiful shade. I'll just swatch it over here. That's how the shade looks like. It's like a brownie pinky nude. Very beautiful, and the glass finish with it gives is amazing. So I got this when there was this coupon available where you can buy for rupees 2000 and you will get 400 or 500 rupees off. That time I got this and it was like a steal deal for me. Love it. So guys, this is the last product from the Nykaa sale, and this was like my dream product. Like, I had my eyes on this from really long time, and this is from Fenty Beauty. So finally I got my hands on the Fenty Beauty Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. No, I have not got the shade MVP because I have seen it everywhere, and that is a red lipstick which you can get anywhere you want. So if you guys are thinking what shade I got the shade Truth Fairy, and it's a very beautiful nude shade. Like, I have worn this on my birthday as well. It's a very beautiful shade. That's how the shade looks like. It will suit pretty a lot of Indian skin tones. This will not wash out. It's a very beautiful peachy brown shade. Absolutely love it, and the formula is heavenly, definitely. And I got this on a steal deal again. I did not have to pay the shipping charge. Basically 500 rupees was already minus, did not have to pay that, and also it was on 10 or 15% off. So this was like a steal deal for me. Absolutely love it, and it was the best time to buy this one. So if anytime I again buy Fenty Beauty, obviously buying it on the pink sale, like the coming pink sale, I'll definitely buy another one. So guys, I forgot to show you 2 more products from the affordable category, which is, one is the Garnier Micellar Water, which is the oil and water mix one. This one, absolutely love it. Works amazingly to remove all the makeup and everything. And also to remove the makeup, micellar water is over here, but you still need one more thing, which is cotton pads. So I got these cotton pads. I got 2 bunch of these, and these are absolutely very amazing, very soft and smooth. Love it. So guys, that was all about the Nykaa haul, and my hand is already like this. So that was all about the Nykaa haul. I hope you liked it. I only shopped makeup this time because I have a lot of skincare. Also, I'm getting a lot of acne, so I don't want to like change the skincare routine which I'm following right now. It is pretty good, and I don't want to invest on skincare right now because I have pretty much skincare. This time I thought to splurge a bit on makeup and like just to give myself some birthday gifts. So that is the reason I got these things. And for your information, I got all of these with my own money, none of else money. These are my own money. So yes, that's all about the Nykaa hot pink sale. So guys, I hope you all like this video, and if you guys like this video, do not forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want me to grow a bit, and there's a lot of you who watch my video but do not subscribe. So please do subscribe to my channel and comment down on whichever products you guys want me to do a review. So till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.